Toomba Shin Ramen has finally hit the UK shelves. I can't wait to try this. I have my usual 2 ramen discs, and this has the sauce and powder. Cook your ramen. I left a little bit of water in the pot and have put it on a low heat. I added my powder, assuming this is what makes it creamy. Then I added the sauce packs. Then give it a good mix. I'm hoping the heat will make it a little bit creamier. This looks and smells so good. Let's give it a taste. It tastes so good. Nice and creamy, a bit spicy and a little bit sweet. It's got a good balance. I think this is my favourite out of all the Shin ramens I've tried so far.